welcome back to our channel. If you are new, my name is Lady Zion Modest Creativities. You are highly welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing our tripod. Can you see it, guys? I didn't really want to buy this tripod this time. I wanted Serenity to complete 3 years before I could buy it, even for my own self, because I learned to know that even adults can also use it. I wanted Serenity to get to 3 years to buy this tripod. From that time, we went to Germany 1 year plus, and her cousin has it in Germany. So since that time, she have been jumping in our bed. Anytime we spread the bed, Serenity will just be jumping inside the bed. So my husband decided to just buy it for her so she loves jump. It just arrived. We bought it from Amazon. We are about to unbox it now, guys. Stay tuned as we continue to unbox our tripod. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I do really appreciate you guys. Continue to support this channel. Without you guys, there is no Lady Zion. Please, guys, continue to watch my video in full. Please don't click in and click out. We beg you, let's be supportive to each other, and I believe that we all will get to where we are going in Jesus' name. Stay tuned.
So guys, let's roll into this video. As you can see, Oga just landed, the director of our video, but sometimes he is very shy to show up in some of our video. Although so many of my video he do showed up, but he is so shy, especially when you are with camera. I'm so happy now, but he is getting along with us, so he will be the one to unbox this tripod and fix it. So just stay tuned. Don't worry if he did not say hi to you guys. Let's not just expect much from him. Just stay tuned and continue watching as we fix the tripod. Thank you so much, guys.
You can see the way it's looking. We are going to try to make it look exactly like this.
So guys, I forgot. We are going to be using amazing gospel song in this video today. In case you love this music, I'm going to be dropping the link and the name of the owner in the description box in case you are interested. And try and subscribe. Put on the notification bell so that you get more of his video. Thank you.
It's a little bit difficult, but the manual is there. We are going to fix it carefully, and you can see this is very big. you have been watching, you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? And if today is your first time coming across this face, if you like what you are going to be seeing on this channel, please do hit that subscribe and put on the notification bell in case anytime we upload new video, you will be the first to notify. In this channel, we upload a cooking recipe, lifestyles, and every other thing you wish to see are in this family. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. So you can see my husband did a great job.